Hi QA people, welcome to this video. This video is about VIRTUSA robot framework real interview questions for QA lead and QA managers. Job description. The need is for the automated test cases we need to write using Python script under the robot framework, and we need to have experience on Python modules, and we should have good experience on Git, PyCharm IDE, and good exposure on SDLC in bug life cycles, and basic technical knowledge on Python robot framework and Selenium. Plus SQL scripting and Unix scripting is a added advantage. Manual testing questions. First one is what is SDLC? What are the stages of SDLC and what are the SDLC models available? So you need to explain about the software development lifecycle models available and what are the stages present in that. Next one is what is SDLC? What are the bases of SDLC? So software testing lifecycle you need to explain here. Third one is explain bug lifecycle. You need to explain the bug lifecycle phases, all the stages you need to explain with examples. And the fourth one is how do you do UI testing? So how you do UI testing for pages on different concepts like text boxes, radio buttons, drop downs, images and maps. Testing questions, how to write test cases. So how you write your test cases for a task, how you write this one, how you split up the tasks like that you need to explain. Next one is how you collect data from for that test cases and how you gather your business requirement. Both are same. So once you get a business requirement, you can start writing the test cases. So how you gather this requirement from the client, you need to explain. Third one is explain your test case doc style. So how would be your document or a Excel document or a Word document? How it will be? How what is the style you are following? Like that you need to explain. Next one is how you collaborate or work with your colleagues. So you are a QA lead or a QA manager, and you need to pass on the task to pass, pass on the task or subtask to the colleagues of your team. So how you do that one? How you achieve this one? And how you distribute these test cases and how you collect these test cases back from the teammates, how you verify and validate these test cases, the whole process you need to explain here. Questions. So you have two primary keys in two tables and you have a need to connect both of these, and there is a need for unique and not null consent. How you achieve this? So they are asking about the primary key and foreign key collaborations. So how you do this in two tables like that they are asking. And when it comes to primary key, it should be unique and it should be not null constant, right? So how you made this one in the DB that you need to explain here. Second one is explain the difference between delete and drop. So the differences between delete and drop is drop will drop the table from the DB. Delete will delete all the data in the DB and just leave the structure as it is. And next one is explain all joins with examples. The joins in the case like inner join, self join, inner join or self join, left join, right join, full outer join, like that you need to explain here with examples. Unix questions. The first question is explain the file comparison commands with examples cmp, scom and diff. Next one is what are the commands you use for searching files and folders in the Unix directory. Third one is explain functions with examples with arguments and without arguments and return values. So all these things involved in the functions you need to explain. Robot framework questions, write examples and explain whatever necessary. A system is given. So you need to create a test suite from start to finish for your current project's module. For example, if you have some 10 modules, you can take one module and you can explain them how you write the test suite for that from the start to finish stage and how you test everything you need to explain here. Next one is how to pass data on command line during runtime. So there is a command for the command line. So how you pass this data, streaming data to that one. Next one is what are page updates. Fourth one is how to run robot Linux scripts on a batch file. So batch file execution they are doing a lot, so they are expecting a good answer for this question. Selenium questions. Write examples and explain wherever necessary. How you perform a API testing with robot framework and Selenium for the get operation and for a post operation. Second one is how to do data driven testing and keyword driven testing using Selenium. Third one is how you handle drop downs of pages with robot Selenium framework. Python questions. Write examples and explain what is default detect, order detect, chain map, DQ, counters, and then explain Python modules. You Git section. So explain the basic Git commands with examples. Push, pull, commit, add, reset, clone, and configure username and password. Next one is how you integrate GitHub Bitbucket with Jenkins and Docker. PyCharm IDE questions. Can you brief some features of PyCharm IDE and how you configure Git in PyCharm IDE? PyCharm questions. How you develop the communications with your team, so how the communications are happening, and how you get the best from your team, and how you handle annoying manager versus annoying employee. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Testing labs here to research.